A decision in a trial challenging Tennessee's lethal injection policy is now expected by the end of the week. Lawyers for 33 death row inmates argue the three-drug method is torture. They also say the state has not tried to find its previous lethal injection drug, pentobarbital. State attorneys say the U.S. Supreme Court has upheld the new drug used and that pentobarbital is unavailable. Tennessee's first execution since 2009 is scheduled for August 9th.